crazy today. Look how Luffy looks. I hear lightning left and right. We are cooked, eh? I also got a flash flood warning into 10 p.m. What the? Okay, was it? Oh, it is still raining. It is still raining like the Decans. We are not surviving into that. Into, I don't know. Boom, shkaboom. Boom, shkaboom. Boom, shkaboom. Okay, yeah. Mother Nature is not gonna be that good today. The craziest rain of the year, I think. It's crazy. Oh, and watch my video of different parts of the raining today. If you haven't, please like and subscribe if you want to. And bye!